Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this series, we are looking into Playwright test automation. In this video, we are going to see some interesting thing in Playwright actually. So this one actually, I liked it very much actually. Before making it, I just tried it. I was so impressed with this feature. There are some other tool, like everywhere there is a debug, but inbuilt UI debugger with Playwright is the first one. I think Cypress we have, but after run we can. So this kind of interactive debugger UI only separately they created for created with Playwright actually. Okay, so what we have to do it. So what let's create a, what is this? Let's use our previous script, the same script. What we are going to do is, so whatever we are running npx playwright test edit, right? Before that we need to add pw debug is equal to 1. Okay, anyway, I'll highlight this command, no issue, no worries. So if you are not able to see, pw debug is equal to 1 npx playwright test hyphen headed. So this just start run it. It will open two browser windows. One is our automation test which will run, and one another is inspector. I think you can analyze. So whole script is here. So here we are going to debug, and we are going to see each step run actually. Okay, so if you are, for example, this is a small script, like each line what it does. But when you're writing with a framework, when it jumping from one file to other file, blah blah stuff, like that time I think this will be very useful, I feel. Just click on one step. It will just go to the browser, and now it's click on the navigation tool link, that means grocery. See, it's already focused. You can see the red highlighted where it is clicked. So if any line is not clickable, or it's clicking on somewhere else, this debugger actually will able to find you. So it's very easy to use also. It's not like putting everywhere breakpoint. So nothing is required actually. Just clicked, it went to that screen. And next, fruit and vegetable, I think. See, actually we need to click on this fruit and vegetable under this, but we are clicking on this. That means, so we here only we found the bug, right? Like it's actually going to the fruit and vegetable page, but not from the drop down, but from somewhere, because it has two matches, right? So it's clicking on second one. Okay, using this debugger, without the debugger I would have not able to find, because it's running speed also. But that page, it's going on that page actually. So next, like it's highlighted, that SKU one. Okay, so if you go on the line, it's highlighted, not with the red okay, actually click thing is showing here. I don't know why. Just next. Okay, it just moved, and oh fine, then just click on it. Okay, so it is moving to the view, then clicked it seems. I don't know why it stays there itself. I think because we interacted that one, right? I have tried to click manually. Yeah, it clicked again. It clicked again actually, but then if you go to the cart, now I'm clicking on the cart as empty. So the next one, the capture tax trash, because it failed, right? Because after the card we are trying to find the button. So it's going to the source code of Playwright, and it will show the errors. And if it is, see, have you guys noticed, like if failures happens, report automatically opens. If it is everything success, it will ask you to run and get the report. So this is the page we have got the error. Okay, expect to be visible, because we, while interacting, we just scroll down here and there, right? So it got failed. So it's cool feature actually. Yeah, I liked it very much actually. So I just want to run it again for you guys. Just it will open the window. Yeah, browser also opened. I think just don't interact with the browser. Just click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it. Got. Yeah, now it's highlighting the place order and validating. So that means pass. Okay, so if it is pass, you need to see the report by running this. Cool. Everything you can see it here. Also the screenshot, also you can see it here. After that, it will close the browser. Okay, I think hope you like this inspector. Even I like it very much. Yeah. So always even when you start learning also, wherever the mistake happen, you can find it very easily. I'm from this video, like just 2-3 hours of learning and Playwright. So this developer of Playwright, mostly they are concentrating on the user's problem. So whatever the problem user faced when they're using other tool like Selenium, that this everything, right? So they trying as much as possible to solve and giving easy way to access that. I feel like that's how the tool is made it, I guess. That's why it's more hype on the internet, I feel. Let's see in the coming tutorial, like what are all the more added values they have added with this Playwright. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.